innovation. It's that moment where science leads to performance. As world leaders in gaming and pioneers of ergonomics, we've joined forces to redefine the gaming chair. Combining decades of research and design specifically to advance the way you play. Encouraging balanced movement, designed to support your body's mechanics. Fully customizable to your spine's alignment. Creating dynamic support. And cooling your body. Positioning you to perform. Perfect your staging. Optimize your vantage. Master your setup. Play advanced.